I'm Andrew Colton. With more than 100 clients nationwide, I'm the premier litigation communication expert in North America. An award-winning former on-air national network news correspondent, my settlement documentaries have helped induce more than $1 billion in settlements by presenting personal stories that have major impact. If you're watching this video, you're interested in sentence mitigation videos. Like my settlement documentaries, my sentence mitigation videos tell a story. They show that a client may have made a mistake, but is a good person who is loved, who is needed, and has a positive impact on a community. My sentence mitigation videos show what a document, what a brief, what a memo cannot. That your client is human, and that perhaps there are other more suitable options than a lengthy stay in prison. Please note, I do not produce these videos for clients convicted of violent or similar crimes. But when appropriate, my sentence mitigation videos can help explain why your client's sentence should fall on the lower end of sentencing guidelines. Let's confidentially discuss your case. Call me at 877-484-4611 or visit coltonlegalmedia.com.